Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool loading bar on CapCut PC, like the animation. I'm just going to select a color here and I'm going to go to crop and I'm just going to, let's just go to mask and select rectangle and kind of create a more rectangular loading bar. Right click, create compound clip, select rectangle again and reverse that. And I'm just going to create like the outline for now. Then I'm going to create the loading bar. Hold on, I need to actually make this a little bit longer than it is. So let's just do that real quick. You do have to like undo the compound clip though, or else you can't extend it. Okay, then I'm just going to extend this one. And I'm going to then select rectangle and I'm going to create the bar that's inside of it. Like so. Just see if you like that. And you're going to then right click, create compound clip again, and then you're going to select the horizontal one and you're going to split it this way. Add a keyframe in the beginning, and at the end you're just going to want to drag this line to the right like so, and you can have like the loading text on top like here. You can change the font if you'd like to. And then you can go to animation, go to loop, and like select the, which one is it? Random flashes one could work. This flash one works a little bit better, and make sure it's like the duration is slower, so just put it to the right, like the speed I meant. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!